How to install Lux Player on your Samsung Smart TV. Step 1. Get to your home screen and to the Apps selection. Next, click on this magnifying glass in the top right-hand corner of your TV screen. Once prompted, type in LUX or Lux Player and click Done. Select Lux Player from the list and click Install. Once installed, open Lux Player and wait for it to load. Once opened, you will be prompted to choose a UI. This is personal preference, either dark or light. Next, enter your username and password provided to you from your service provider.